Hello class 4, welcome back to mental maths class. In the last class we have done till exercise number 11. Today we are going to start with exercise number 12. So as you can see here, I have written down few questions from exercise number 12 and we will be discussing them, right? If you have your book, you can take out your book and you can see the questions with me. So you can see here the first question is 2 days minus 20 hours. Now you see this is day and this is in hours. So what we have to do, we have to convert both into hours. Days also we have to convert into hours. So 2 days means how many hours? In one day 24 hours. Then in 2 days how many? 48 hours. So 48 minus 20 will be how much? It will be 28 hours. So we will write here 28 hours. I hope you know how this 48 hours has come. 1 day equals to 24 hours, 2 days equals to 24 into 2 is 48 hours. So now we can, since now both the units are same, so we can subtract them. Now the next question, rupees 50.85 paise will be added with which paise, how much paise to get 20. So what you will do, you will subtract 15 rupees 55 paise from 20. So you will do like this, okay, 20 and 15, 85. You will subtract it. Whatever answer comes, you will write over here. So the answer will be 5, your 1, and then again your 4, and this will be 0. Okay, so 4 rupees 4.15 paise you will add in order to get 20. Now the next question, number C. 196 divided by 14 is how much? When you will divide, you will see that 196 when you are dividing, you will get 14 only as the quotient. Okay, I am not going to show you the division here. You will do by yourself and you will find out the answer. Finally, the answer will be 14. So 14 is 196. Next question. Number D. 15 into 7 plus 30. How much 15 into 7? If you know the table of 15, 15 sevens are 105 plus 30. So 105 plus 30, when you do, you get, add it, how much it comes? It comes 145. Right? Next question. Number E. 23 kilometers 500 meters is equal to how much meter? You have to write all the numbers, all the units in meters. So 500 is already there in meter. We have to change this 23 kilometer. We have to change. So when we convert this kilometer into meter, we have to multiply by 1000. Why? Because I don't know, in class 3 you must have learned during measurement chapter that whenever we are converting smaller unit to bigger unit, then we divide, and bigger unit to smaller unit, then we multiply. So here this is bigger unit to smaller unit, so we are multiplying, and then when we multiply, then 23,000 it comes. Okay, 23 kilometer is equal to 23,000. And this 500 we have to add. When we add this 500, then it comes 23500 meter. That means 23,500 meters. Okay. So now we come to the next question, that is number F. 750 divided by which number to get 50? The quotient will come 50. So what you will do here? You will divide. Divide what? 750 by 50. So when you divide 750 by 50, like this, 750, when you divide by 50, so the answer will come 15. 1, 5, 15. First you will take one time, it comes, subtract. In 50's table, 250 comes at 5 times. Okay, there is one more checking process. When you multiply this to, then you will see the 750, the answer should come 750. Then only your answer is correct. You can check in this way. Then we move to the next question. The next question is question number G. Okay, so let us do question number G. Okay, so now we move to the next question, number G. In question number G, it says 149 plus 151 is equal to how many tens? Let us do the addition here. 149 plus 151, it comes 300. 300 means how many tens? For tens we need 1 0, no? So we can write 30 tens. Okay, 300 means 30 tens. Next question, we have next is H. 110 minus 50 minus 55. So how we will do this? Now there is one process through BODMAS also we can do. We can add these two numbers and can subtract from it. But we will not do in this way. We will go step by step. First we will divide subtract 100 and from 110 we will subtract 50. What comes? 60 comes. Sorry. Yeah, it comes 60. Okay. Then from 60 when you subtract 55, what comes? 5. So your answer will be 5. Okay. The next question. 55 divided by 55 plus how much is equal to 2? Now here we have to apply the property of division. Division property. When you divide same number, like when a number is divided by the number itself, then the quotient is not 0, it is 1. So when 58 is divided by 58, then quotient comes 1. Now 1 is over here, then how much will you add with 1 to get 2? Obviously 1 you will add, isn't it? So your answer is 1 here. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. The last question, number J. Add 3 15 times. Now what you are going to do, you will add 3 15 times. You will not do like that, rather you will multiply 3 15s are, or 15 3s are how much? So when you do 15 times 3. So 15 times 3 is 15 3s are 45. So that's your answer. Okay. Here we complete exercise number 12, and you will be doing exercise number 12 in your book, as well as homework you will complete exercise number 13, okay, and exercise number 14 also. And let me check the questions. I think more or less all the questions you will be able to do. The first question is easy. One more than okay, you will be able to do. Right? Okay. In exercise number 13, all the questions are like you will be able to do because those patterns are already done. Then exercise number 14. In exercise number 14 also, what is the product of 18 to 13? Yeah, you can do it. Yeah, I think 14 also. Exercise number 13 and 14, and also 12. 12, 13, 14. That means your homework is exercise number 12, 13 and 14. You will complete as homework and you will send me your work for correction. Okay. So till this, in this video only this much. In the next class, I will be back with Roman numbers. Few questions are left, so we will complete that. Take care and keep learning. Bye bye.